Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the specifications of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, which is yet to be officially announced. Starting with the display, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to feature a 7.6-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a resolution of 1768 by 2208 pixels and a pixel density of 372 pixels per inch. The screen is expected to be a touchscreen and support capacitive multi-touch technology. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888 chipset and an octa-core processor. The graphics are expected to be handled by Adreno 660. Additionally, the device is expected to come with 12 GB of RAM for a seamless performance. In terms of storage, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to come with 256 GB of internal storage. Moving on to the camera, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to come with AF 1.8 aperture and OIS, a 12-megapixels telephoto camera with f2.4 aperture and 2x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixels ultrawide camera with f2.2. For selfies, the device is expected to come with a 16-megapixels front camera with an under-display sensor and a 10-megapixels secondary front camera with f2.2 aperture. In terms of battery, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to pack a 4,500 mAh battery with support for fast charging. The battery is expected to be a Li polymer type. Coming to network connectivity, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to support 5G, 4G, 3G, and 2G networks. The device is expected to come with dual nano SIM slots. Other connectivity options include Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth version 5.2, GPS with a GPS and GLONASS, NFC, and USB charging. Finally, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to come with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, as well as other sensors such as barometer, proximity sensor, compass, and barometer. So, that's all we know so far about the unofficial specifications of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. What do you think about this upcoming device? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related videos. Thanks for watching.